Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll walk you through how to download and install Microsoft Office 2019 on your Windows PC. This version includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote and other tools you may use every day. We'll be working only with the official Microsoft website so everything is safe and directly from Microsoft. By the end of this video you'll have Office 2019 ready for documents, spreadsheets, presentations and email. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. A lot of people run into installation problems, so I've split this process into 5 simple steps. First step is to create a folder for the setup files, so all files remain organized. Open your C drive. Here, create a new folder. Rename it Office 2019. This keeps everything in one place. Now step 2 is to remove any older versions of Office. Having other Office versions installed can cause errors. Open Settings. Go to Apps and check your list of installed programs. If you already have another Office version, uninstall it before moving on. Step 3 is to download the 2 files we need. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Select the first result, which is Microsoft's official page. Choose your language and download the tool. When that finishes, open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Again, open the first result. This site lets us customize the Office installation so we only install the apps we want. Start by choosing the correct architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. In the Office Suite section, select Office Professional Plus 2019. Scroll through the list of apps and pick the ones you want. For example, I need Word, Excel and PowerPoint only, so I will select them only. Next, go to the language section and choose the language you prefer. Click Next again. Now scroll down and click on Last section. Scroll again and click Finish. You'll see an option to export. Click on it. Choose Office Open XML formats. Accept the agreements and click Export again. This downloads the second file we need. Now step 4 is to organize the files. Open your Downloads folder. These are 2 files we downloaded. Copy both of them. Go back to the Office 2019 folder you created on your C drive and paste them there. Now run the setup file. Accept the agreement and continue. When asked where to extract the files, choose the same Office 2019 folder in C drive. The tool will unpack the needed files into that folder. Now the last step is to install Office. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Go back to the Office 2019 folder. Click the address bar at the top and copy the folder path. In Command Prompt, type CD followed by a space, then paste the path. And press Enter. Now type the command needed to start the installation and press Enter again. Office will begin installing. This can take some time depending on your internet connection and how many apps you selected, so let it finish. When the installation is done, close the setup window. Open the Start menu and you should see your Office apps. If you don't see them right away, use the search bar to find Word or Excel. Now open all the apps one by one and check them if they are working properly. So that's it, we have successfully installed Microsoft Office 2019 on our Windows PC without any errors. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.